Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to configure short leave in COSEC. Prerequisites. Matrix COSEC time and attendance license. A short leave is a personal time concession on official work hours that an employee is permitted to take in addition to official breaks. The user need not compensate the time off taken by him or her under short leave as per the parameter set into the system. Let's start with the configuration. We will complete the configuration in 3 steps. Short leave configuration in attendance policy. Assigning attendance policy to user and application and approval of short leave from ESS. Let's start with short leave configuration under attendance policy. For short leave configuration, go to Time Attendance module, followed by Policies, followed by Attendance Policy, followed by Short Leave or Official Hours Restrictions. Let's add a new policy. ID is the system generated unique identity number assigned to each attendance policy. Enter a user-friendly name for the policy. Mark the policy as default to assign it to all users by default. Specify the attendance period as calendar month or customized. Calendar month option allows a user to set the attendance period as per the calendar month. Customized option enables the user to define the customized start date of the month, and the system will automatically calculate the end date. Enable short leave check in attendance period option to activate the short leave in attendance policy. Maximum minutes allowed option defines the maximum number of minutes allowed in a month for short leave. Maximum count allowed option defines the maximum number of short leaves allowed within an attendance period. Enable duration check per short leave entry option to set the duration of each short leave. Specify the minimum and maximum duration in minutes allowed in a day for short leave. Check range-based short leave option to round off the availed short leave duration. Specify the range in minutes for short leave duration based on which deduction count is to be calculated. Specify the deduction count to be deducted from the user's available short leave account. For example, for a shift timing 9 to 18, if the short leave range is defined as 1 to 60 minutes and short leave count deduction is set as 1, and if a user comes at 9:40 or 9:55, then one short leave of the user will be deducted from his or her account, which he or she has to apply. Consider grace in short leave option enables a grace period to be considered in short leave duration. For example, for a shift timing 9 to 18, consider that for shift late in option is checked. Short leave is configured as 30 minutes and grace time as 20 minutes. Now, if a user comes at 9:50, he will be allowed for short leave of 30 minutes, which he has to apply, and remaining 20 minutes will be considered as late in, which user needs to compensate for the day. For shift early out, for break late in, and for break early out options will work similar to for shift late in option. If short leave authorization required option is checked, authorization of reporting in charge is needed for each short leave application. Add short leave hours in work hours option will enable the inclusion of short leave hours in work hours. For example, for the shift timing 9 to 18, shift working hours is 9 and short leave allowed is 1 hour. If employee takes the short leave of 1 hour, then total working hours will be considered as 9 hours, though he has worked for only 8 hours. For example, for shift timing 9 to 18, maximum duration allowed for short leave is 90 minutes with the short leave count 3. On day 1, user comes at 10:30, that is 90 minutes later than the shift start time. As in punch of the user falls under short leave duration, system will deduct user's short leave count by 1. On day 2, user again comes at 10:30 and leaves the office at 16:30. As both in and out punch of the user on day 2 falls under short leave duration, system will again deduct user's short leave count by 3, leading to 0 short leave count in the user's account for the current month. On day 3, user comes at 10, but as user has already used all the 3 short leave counts earlier, the system will now mark him absent for half day as per the configuration. This completes the configuration of short leave. Let's assign configured attendance policy to the user for short leave. To assign the already configured policy to a user, select the user from the users module. Followed by T&A and policy. Assign the configured attendance policy to a user. For multiple users, under multi-user option, follow the same procedure followed for a single user. Select multiple users from the user filter and apply it. This completes the assignment of attendance policy to the user. Let's see the application and approval of short leave from ESS portal. For short leave application, log in to a user's ESS account. Go to time attendance, followed by short leave or official in-out. Select the attendance date for which the short leave has to be applied. Under short leave or official hours entry, specify the special function either for short leave in or for short leave out. Apply the short leave. Group in charge can approve or reject the short leave applied by the user from authorization or approval menu of his or her ESS account. Specify the start date and end date that defines the period for which the status is to be viewed for short leave authorization. Select the authorization mode as short leave. Specify the user or users from the filter users list. View all pending and authorized entries and their details. The pending section lists all employees for whom short leave or official in-out requests are yet to be sanctioned by the reporting in charge. Reporting in charge can approve or reject the short leave applied by the user. The selected entries will be moved from pending section to the approved section or rejected section as per the authorization. A user can check the status of short leave from the ESS under time attendance followed by daily attendance. This completes the entire configuration. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries, please contact Matrix Technical Support Team.